Hi guys! Hello! Open natin yung Maribang card natin. Dami nating card, walang laman. Marami na tayong card, walang laman. So ayan guys. Ah, ano ba to? Buwan? Parang hindi naman to buwan. Nagbuwan ba? Parang hindi, mga 3 weeks. 3 weeks lang. Ayan, it's a Maribang. Wow! SPX. Shoutout SPX for almost 2 years. Ang daming langaw guys. Kasi nag-open yung mga poultry dito. So yun. Open natin na guys ah. Yan. Tara. Wow, ang galing. Hey, yan. Nabayaran na po sila. Sa Maribang. Kala, pangit. Bakit yan yung nakalagay sa ano? Nakalagay sa... hindi. Ano, address lang pala ng paper. Yun yung nakalagay sa card. Pangit naman yung address ng ano? Address ng pinagtatrabahuan. Ayan. Nalagay pa. Ito. Sinabi ko. So you have activate your card today. Nasa sila yung rules. Activate your card today. And this one. Arbang. Say hello to your Mari card. And this one is the Marbang. Okay. Very nice. Easy cashback everywhere you go. For your protection, never share your card details or PIN to anyone. Your security is a party. Manage your card limit and usage kaya. Taran. Okay. Very nice. Thank you.